Hey guys, in our today's video, I'm going to share trendy, amazing, and beautiful DIY embroidery ideas that you must never miss because these are the most important trending viral design ideas that could give a very beautiful and elegant look to your whole creative DIY materials. So guys, before moving into the further details, I request you to do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. And if you already have subscribed, then you can subscribe from as many as other devices because subscribers are very important, guys. So now let's move back towards our main content. Guys, all of these embroidery designs range in different stylized patterns, moving from all over embroidery designs, border embroidery designs, floral embroidery motif to different type of creative patterns that are specifically designed onto hats, onto summer hats that could give a classic and chic look to your full and overall outfit. But the scope of these embroidery patterns is not only limited to hat designs. You can also use these very beautiful patterns of embroidery for a wide reason and a wide variety of DIY items, DIY decor things. So, ranging from home decor items to moving towards just designing. So, these could be used. And guys, if you are unable to find the best design of your choice or interest, then I would recommend you can explore my channel onto which I already have shared millions of designs of handwork, hand embroidery, threadwork, needlework, hand art, onto which I have been sharing it on the basis of different type of classified categories so that with ease you can find the best design of your own choice. And the beauty and creativity of these designs could be enhanced by making use of pearls, beads, and sequins. That is also a part of handwork, needlework. If you really like the design ideas, then don't forget to leave comments in the comment section and do comment in the comment box that from which country you belong so that we could get to know that from which different geographical regions of the world we have our YouTube friends and family member as YouTube subscribers. So if you are wearing a plain black, a plain any color shirt, then any of these hat could be paired up along with the perfect matching or color of your interest could give a very beautiful and classy, stunningly gorgeous look to your whole outfit. And now let's talk about the thread with which you can make them and about the uh, type. Then I would recommend you to do use anchor or DMC with two strands for making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. So these beautiful patterns of embroidery could equally be used for machine embroidery as well because these patterns would absolutely go well with them. So you can try them. And if you try one of these embroidery patterns, then I would recommend you to use exact same color combination of threads along with the same base color of hats which is being shown into the screen so that in order to get the exact output or the results which you are expecting. And guys, if you plan to make any of these designs, then please do share your experience with us in the comments box. That how was your experience and what was the final design and how it looked like. So with this, allow me to leave. You don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.